Guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Honey extensions on Microsoft Edge to find coupons and discounts. So click Open Edge and click on Extensions, click on Manage Extensions, click on Edge Store and search for Honey. You'll find this PayPal Honey automated coupon and rewards extension. Install it and let's open a new tab. For example, let's go to Amazon and hit enter. So let's find, for example, any type of product, this for example, and let's open Honey. So click on PayPal and Honey, and the extension will start looking for the available coupon codes or discounts on this product on Amazon. And you must also log in, guys. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.